Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Science of Design snackable video series for financial decision making. Today, we're going to be covering how we helped a fintech company re-engage its inactive users using a very simple behavioral science principle known as relative choices or relativity. So the idea with relative choices is that as humans, we have a hard time making our decisions in vacuum. And that's why we go car shopping, shoe shopping, dating, etc. And so some of you might be familiar with this really famous marketing campaign that Apple did. And this is at the time where they were trying to beat the PC. And PC was really the status quo. Most people were using the PC. And so instead of focusing on talking about the various features of their app, how much memory it has and et cetera. They actually personified their Mac into a really cool, a guy. And then they put him relative to this kind of stodgy, dorky PC. And they did really fun, humorous videos. And so ultimately what they were doing here was using this concept of relativity and helping us understand the value of their Mac as compared to the PC. Some examples of this that we've used for our clients. One was for a financial technology client of ours that basically does what's called earned wage access. What that simply means is that they go in and work with very large employers to provide a financial benefit for their employees. So most Americans can't afford a large unaccounted for bill. And so what they do is they allow you, like, let's say you have a big healthcare bill coming up, or you get into a car accident and you need money last minute. What they allow you to do is pull money from your future paycheck. And so let's say you need to just borrow $200 from your paycheck. You do this and it's completely free. And the alternative is, using things like payday loans that can be very expensive. And so for them, some of the work that we did is we ran a series of experiments where we basically sent out emails and reminders to about 10,000 of their users. And the thing that we were trying to test for was, can we produce more users for them using this idea of relativity? So in the control subject line, which is basically the emails that they were using before we got in, we talk about, hey, you can use this solution to budget and get paid more frequently and save. And then in our relativity subject line, we use this kind of relative comparison to simply show how much better the client's solution is to their biggest competitor, which is payday loans. So we're basically saying, hey, if you get a $200 payday loan with a payday loan provider, you're really paying $260. And in contrast, when you get $200 using Even with this benefit that you get from your employer, it's really no cost to you. And what was really interesting was that we were able to increase re-engagement in their campaign and get people reinterested in their solution by about 40% with this very simple text update that we did in their emails. Do you have a marketing or product challenge that could use help from behavioral science? Each month, we offer 5 free behavioral science consults with our team of scientists to our listeners. To see if you qualify, simply follow the link hellonextstep.com/SOD and drop us a note. And remember, you can also take advantage of the wealth of free content that we have on our website in our resources section, including videos, how-tos, and case studies. Thanks so much.